everyone, KnickKnack here and welcome to my channel. So today I'm opening up a package I got from J Bob & Sons. So he was auctioning off some cards that I was able to pick up some of them, and so here it is. We'll have a look at them. If you're not following J Bob & Sons, go do it. Love his content. You know, I'm just, again, I can't say enough good things about our Garbage Pail Kids community. It is just too awesome, too nice. So let's have a look and see what we're gonna get here. And so obviously I have an idea of what it was that I bought, so and here we go. So let's take a look here. Oh my goodness. Oh no way. This is awesome. Okay, I already... Oh my gosh. J Bob, thank you. If you don't know, these are not in Canada yet, or even if they come to Canada, I don't know if I'm ever gonna get them. This is awesome, so thank you so much, because I cannot find these, right? I resisted buying them off of eBay because I do hope to get some in Canada, but this, thank you. So we got, holy, oh my goodness, and some wax packs. Oh my gosh. So J Bob, this is too good. Thank you so much for sending me these Pokemon packs. You know, I'm gonna have to open them, of course. And these wax packs, you're all way too good to me. Like, thank you. And so what I did buy from him: Blasted Billy, Charred Chad, and Fryin' Ryan, and the condition of these cards is amazing. So happy to have these. Such a good card. Oh, these are just really good. And we get to open some packs. So let's see what J Bob & Sons got for us. So 5th series. Should we do 5th series or Pokemon? Maybe we'll save. We'll go, oh, this is so dumb. I just need to open them. All right, so for 5th series, we'll go 5th series Pokemon, 5th series Pokemon. Okay. For the 5th series, you know, always love Nat Nerd, but there's actually a lot of characters in 5th series that I would like to get at. Tag Todd, Audio Augie, I can't even remember who else. Oh, Diaper Dan is really good. But again, I'm trying to grow my original series collection, so any card that we get is gonna be amazing. And thank you so much, J Bob & Sons, for sending me, you know, these wax packs and these. Okay, I'm just like, my smile is so big I can't even contain myself. So let's go ahead and open these up. These are my first 5th series wax packs that I'm opening. So thank you for that as well. And so we have Slade, Mel Meal, Dangling Dolly, Cliffhanger, and Jordan Nuts. Awesome, those are great. And oh yes, we're gonna do a Pokemon. Okay, this is my first McDonald's Pokemon card, 25th anniversary. Yes! Look at how awesome that is. And then we got, oh, Chikorita's so cute. Amazing. so happy to just have some of these. Awesome, awesome. Okay, and so next, and we have Diaper Dan, yeah! Like, who can't love this card? Like, it is so good. Ultraviolet, that's a good card too. Audio Augie, perfect. Perfect, exactly what we were looking for. Awesome, so that's great. So we got some cards that you know, were hits for me. And, oh, we still have this other pack. How could I have forgotten? So let's see what this pack, last pack magic, can do for us. And it is a Totodile. Look at how cute. It's just so cute. Awesome, Grookey. Squirtle. Oh, I love Squirtle. And these are just awesome. Thank you so much for sending me these. You really, like, this is so unexpected, but really just awesome. So thank you so much. I will be sending you something awesome back. Thank you, J-Bobs and Sons. Again, our community is amazing. Everyone, thank you for watching and take good care.